Yo guys, what is up? And today we're gonna play some Subway Surfers. We're gonna be trying to beat my high score or just, do loads of things. So yeah, let's do it. Let's go. Run, 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 run. Get this one. As you can see, I don't think the fat cop can catch me because I'm too fast for him. Too fast and the guys can't catch me. And also, got a new video editor because I never used to edit my videos properly. But I got a new video editor and now I edit my videos and I can put music in and put writing and trim my video if I want and that. So yeah, it's basically quite good. Are you ready for the surfing tricks? Oh, I'll also be showing you how to unlock the black outfit. Oh, did you see them skills? Oh, 360. Oh. Are you ready? Oh, did you see these stickers? Have you seen how high I can jump now? Boing, boing, boing. Oh my god, that was so close. Run. Run. Dun, 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 dun. The landlord will kick us out. So yeah, guys, I'll quickly show you how you unlock the thingy. Now, so you go back. So you click onto me once you get into the game, and then you just go over a normal Jake, and then you click on this one, the dark outfit, and then it'll have, see, you can buy it for no keys, but then, so you click it, because you don't lose keys or anything, and then you can get it, but I'll show you who I'm saving up for. I'm saving up for this dude. 20,000. I'm saving up for Tagbot. I need 15 coins to get the space outfit, or the toy outfit for 30. But you might get tag out. It's either tag outfit, the tag bot, or Frank. No, I really want Dino, but you have to log into Facebook, and I can't be bothered. Tracy, have you seen a hot outfit? Yeah, and then you can get the trail on the board by just going to hoverboards, and then you've probably got the. Probably got the normal one. I don't know what. There, you go and then just go along. And I think there's somewhere you can get the starboard. And then just go into special effects. And then it'll say 0 thingies again. So yeah. Right, let's do another thingy and then this video will be wrapped up. Dun, 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 dun. Ow.